Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, today we are going to study chapter number 19 of your EVS textbook, Looking Around, that is Abdul in the Garden. In this chapter, we will learn about roots of the plants. As you all know, plants are very, very important. Plants are our lifeline. That's why we tell you to take care of plants, not to cut them, and grow at least one plant every year. So let us start from uses of plants. Plants are very useful for us. Why? We get rubber, fruits, vegetables, grains, cotton, clothes, paper, oxygen. We get a lot and lot of things from plants. Our survival is impossible without plants. So let us see a small video about the parts of the plants. We are going to learn about parts of the plants and its roots. Right now I am in the terrace garden of my home, which I have made by organic manure only. In previous life skills we have learned about organic manure. So this is the terrace garden wholly made from organic manure. So let's see parts of the plants. Students, here we are looking at a creeper plant. It's a creeper plant of bitter gourd, means Karela. You can see its stem, which is very thin and very soft. That's why it can creep, it can climb a tree, climb anything that it got its support. It has leaves, right? You can see the leaves. It has a yellow flower. Yellow flower, and it has a fruit, that is the bitter gourd. In Hindi we call it Karela, right? Now we are going to have a look at the roots. Now, as you have seen in the video, let us see parts of plants in the picture. The red part is the flower of the plant, green one is the leaf, yellow part is the fruit of the plant, the green one, the hard part, is the stem, and the last part, which is in the soil, is roots. Roots are the most important part of the plant. Why? Because roots hold the plant in the soil firmly, and roots provide all the nutrients and food to the plant. Without roots, no plant can survive. Right, students? Let us see how important are the roots. Now here you can see a plant. Right now I am going to show how roots are important to plants, because when I am trying to pull out the plant, it is very hard because the roots are so firmly in the soil, and this root helps in keeping the plant firm in the soil. So I have to work so hard to pull out this plant. See? Yes, and now the plant which you can see right now in my hands, this is a taproot. Okay, students? So you see how important our roots are for the plants? Now, have you seen in the you must have seen in the video that it is so difficult to pluck out a plant when its roots are intact in the soil. So now in this video we are seeing the right manner of watering the plants. In this way, the water transport from roots to the leaves and stem. Right, students? You must have understood. Now we will study about functions of roots. Number 1 function is hold soil. Roots hold soil. Number 2 is roots store extra food. All the nutrients and food plant get through its roots. Number 3 is anchoring of plant to the ground. Right, students? Now we will study about types of fruit. There are two major types of fruit. Number 1 is the taproot, in which one is a main root and other small subsidiary roots come out of the main root. The plant which I plucked out in the video was an example of taproot. right? Radish, carrot, these all are tap roots. Second one is the fibrous root. In fibrous root, there is no main root and the roots are in the form of a bunch. Ever. There are two more types of roots. Number one is the aerial root. You must have seen a banyan tree in the park. In banyan tree, its roots are hanging from the stems of the trees. Children normally play from its roots. Number two is the climbing roots. Betel plant has climbing roots. Its roots climb the support or the tree and then the plant grows. Now students, tell me, have you ever seen a plant grown out of a crack in the wall? When the plant is not in the soil, you must be amazed how the plant gets its nutrient. Yes, because its roots are from the soil only. And you must have seen a tree on the roadside which has the little soil around it and the rest of the part is cemented. You must be aware that its roots are deep inside the soil. Now roots are very important because now here in this slide we can see cactus and oak tree. These two types of trees are in the desert areas. And why the roots are very important? Because in desert areas there is no water or very less water. At that time, these roots store water and they provide water and nutrients to the trees, to the plant in the time when there is no water in the surroundings. Now, what do you see in this video? Yes, a woodcutter is cutting the tree and all the trees of the garden are gone. Do you think it is the right practice? No, students, we should not cut the trees. Never. Cutting trees is very harmful. That is why we say that grow trees, take care of plants, and never ever cut the trees. Even if we have to cut a tree in the most unavoidable circumstances, permission from the government needs to be taken. So students, I hope you must have understood today's chapter. Thank you, have a great day, and promise me you will never cut a tree and you will plant more and more trees. Bye bye kids.